Exemplifying Range Rover's modern luxury philosophy, new Range Rover Sport SV is initially being reserved for select clients globally, with the invitation-only SV Edition 1 specification representing a curation of the best feature combinations, colors and finishes. Each Range Rover Sport SV Edition 1 is enhanced with exclusive branding on the front splitter, center console, tread plates and puddle lamps. Every Range Rover Sport SV Edition 1 is already allocated to a Range Rover client. In addition to the introduction of new Range Rover Sport SV, the lineup has received a suite of updates, including a new plug-in electric hybrid with extended EV range, and the integration of the latest generation Epitome Pro infotainment technology. Performance and efficiency are enhanced with an updated plug-in electric hybrid powertrain, with the new P550e, replacing the P510e, offering EV range of up to 121 kilometers (75 miles) for swifter and more relaxed journeys, as well as CO2 emissions from 15 g/km. The new P550e electric hybrid with its new transmission setup joins the Range Rover Sport's extensive powertrain lineup. When combined with the 3.0-liter six-cylinder Ingenium petrol engine, the electric hybrid produces 550 PS and 800 Nm of torque. The enhanced electric motor and transmission make the electric hybrid more responsive than ever, reducing the time it takes to reach 100 km/h by 5.0 seconds under pure electric power. Utilizing both power sources, the P550e can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.9 seconds, 0 to 60 mph in 4.7 seconds, compared to 5.4 seconds previously, 5.2 seconds 0 to 60 mph. Additionally, the P530 V8 powertrain now uses mild hybrid electric vehicle (MHEV) technology for the first time. The MHEV system delivers increased efficiency by harvesting energy captured when decelerating and braking, and improved responses as the stored energy is redeployed under acceleration. When combined with other benefits of the system, including smoother operation of the start/stop functionality, these attributes deliver an improvement in CO2 emissions. Range Rover Sport's beautifully crafted and reductive interior has also been enriched with intuitive new technologies. Combining effortless connectivity and the latest touchscreen, the Epitome Pro infotainment provides intuitive control of all vehicle functions through the elegant 13.1-inch floating glass display. New sidebars with easy-to-use sliders for the volume and climate control provide immediate and precise operation for key functions directly, whatever menu screen is displayed, and approximately 80% of tasks can be performed within 2 taps of the home screen. Haptic feedback provides an added level of tactility and communication with the user. Integrated Amazon Alexa voice AI and Land Rover voice control systems help drivers to keep their eyes on the road while making changes to the cabin environment. Advanced software over-the-air capability keeps Range Rover Sport up to date with the latest software. New Country Road Assist technology features for the first time on Range Rover Sport to enhance passenger comfort when using adaptive cruise control. The intelligent system uses navigation data to automatically adjust the target speed, taking into account bends in the road and changes to the speed limit, effortlessly accelerating or decelerating the vehicle accordingly. The enhanced Range Rover Sport lineup is available now, priced from £83,620 OTR in the UK.